sabay-sabay. Kailangan ko'y ikaw. Alam niyo ba, dream ko talaga makapag-perform ng, of course, mga songs ni Miss Regine. Kasi kung nalalaman niyo lang, kinikwento ko to sa The Voice, na ginamit ko talaga si Miss Reg para manalo tayo. So, I wanna thank I wanna thank Bravo for bringing me this opportunity to sing Miss Regine Velasquez's songs, of course, Miss Between, and Sir Jed Manila. Maraming salamat sa Sir Jed.
Thank you so much. And we would like to take this chance, of course, to extend our deepest thanks to the people who made Bravo Manila possible. Of course, let's give a big hand to ABS-CBN Music.